Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, mate. You're right, mate. Coming to you from London, England. We've just had a blizzard. Yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. I joke because when I got to London back in 2006, yeah, it was actually 2007 is when I got to London. That winter they had their first little snow blizzard, and I remember like about this much came down, just as you guys can see it right now, about, you know, not even an inch, but that was the first snow that London received in like basically the first snow they received in like 11 years or something that time. And of course they call it a blizzard. It was the London snow blizzard of 2007, and public transportation shut down for a day because they got an inch. But to be safe, well, to be fair to the old English brethren, is that because a city like London never really gets snow, or very rarely. Sometimes like once a decade they'll get some snow, and basically those kind of cities are not prepared, to deal even with an inch of snow. And so basically for them, to cope with public transportation and everything, yeah, it was tough, Well, at least for a day they shut it down. I had to take a cab to work. But anyways, guys, today's topic is not London blizzards and stuff, because Christmas is just around the corner next week, actually. And here we are, this wonderful Friday, the 16th of December today. I just looked around at my closet and I found out that I don't have a Christmas sweater. So basically, today's mission, as you guys can see, it is now like 2:48 in the afternoon. Today's mission is to find us a Christmas sweater. And basically, what I'm gonna hit up first is I'm gonna hit up our local knockoff stores, which are Marshall's, Ross, and what else is there? There's Burlington too, but I don't think I'm going to go as far as that. But certainly right here on the North Point Plaza, we have something called a Ross, and we have something called Marshalls. I'm sure you guys have heard of these before, but they're basically like knockoff retailers of men's, women's, and children's clothing. And then they have like household. There you guys can see right up there, it says Ross, dress for less. Well, that's where we're going. And then Marshall's right next to it. You can kind of see it. I wish I could just cut across, but there's not a way to do that, so we're gonna pull a Geronimo right across the 3 lanes here. I do have front lights, back lights, and my helmet is all lit up. So we are perfectly road legal, as they say. There's a state trooper. But yeah, we are perfectly road legal here, guys. So yeah, we're gonna try to find us a Christmas sweater. I looked on Amazon, but on Amazon, it's funny because on Amazon, they're like, you know, they're all like, they can all like, the earliest delivery you can get is like in January. So, you know, I don't know why anybody would want a Christmas sweater way out in January. But there we are. So yeah, yeah, I don't really want to go as far as Burlington. But we will see how we fare. Oh wow. There is certainly a southern westerly wind coming at us. So yeah, guys, here we are. Here we are at Marshall's, as you can see. Thank you. And what we're gonna do, we're kind of going the wrong way here, but I just did that to turn around. Because I'm gonna go, guys, show you guys a little feature that is just amazing, because this is what they call a cafe lock over in England. Well, over in Europe. See, so you come over here, you park your bike, and boom, she got like a little latch there, which is screwed into the frame, so nobody can just take it off. But basically, there it is. You got your key there, and it's locked off now. So if anybody tries to ride off with my bicycle now, they're gonna practically, they're gonna try to do it fast, right? So they're gonna jump in the